Start. While invoking the jurisdiction of the High Court of Judicature at Bombay under Articles 226 and 227 of the Constitution of India and Section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 CRPC, the appellant sought three substantive reliefs: a writ of habeas corpus claiming that he had been illegally arrested and wrongfully detained by the station house officer at Alibag Police Station in the district of Raigad of Maharashtra in relation to a first information report registered on 5 May 2018 under sections 306 and 34 of the Indian Penal Code 1860 in spite of an earlier closer report which was accepted by the magistrate. The quashing of the above mentioned FIR and the quashing of the arrest memo on the basis of which the appellant had been arrested. These three reliefs are reflected in prayers A, B and C of the petition before the High Court. Pending the disposal of the petition by an interim application in the proceedings, the appellant sought his release from custody and a stay of all further proceedings, including the investigation in pursuance of the FIR. A division bench of the High Court, by its order dated 9 November 2020, noted that prayer A, by which a writ of habeas corpus was sought, was not pressed. The High Court posted the hearing of the petition for considering the prayer for quashing of the FIR on 10 December 2020. It declined to accede to the prayer for the grant of bail, placing reliance on a decision of this court in state of Telangana versus Habib Abdullah Jilani. The High Court was of the view that the prayers for interim relief proceeded on the premise that the appellant had been illegally detained, and since he was in judicial custody, it would not entertain the request for bail or for stay of the investigation in the exercise of its extraordinary jurisdiction. The High Court held that since the appellant was in judicial custody, it was open to him to avail of the remedy of bail under section 439 of the CRPC. The High Court declined prima facie to consider the submission of the appellant that the allegations in the FIR, read as they stand, do not disclose the commission of an offence under section 306 of the IPC. That is how the case has come to this court. The appellant is aggrieved by the denial of his interim prayer for the grant of bail. The appellant is the editor-in-chief of an English television news channel, Republic TV. He is also the managing director of ARG Outlier Media Asianet News Private Limited, which owns and operates a Hindi television news channel by the name of R Bharat. The appellant anchors shows on both channels. The appellant was arrested on 4 November 2020 in connection with FIR 59 of 2018, which was registered at Alibag Police Station under sections 306 and 34 of the IPC. The genesis of the FIR can be traced back to December 2016 when a company by the name of ARG Outlier Media Private Limited awarded a contract for civil and interior work to another company, Concord Design Private Limited, which was owned substantially by Anwar Nayak, the deceased. The FIR was registered on 5 May 2018 on the complaint of Akshita Anwar Naik, the informant, the spouse of the deceased, who is alleged to have committed suicide. Stop.